Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Talkback on Android. Here's how to use Talkback on Android in some steps. Talkback is an accessibility service that provides spoken feedback to help visually impaired users interact with their devices. So this is how to use it. First, open the Settings app. Tap the gear icon from your home screen or app drawer. Then go to System. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. This is where you manage features for vision, hearing, and interaction. Tap Talkback. It may be under the Screen Readers section. Tap the toggle switch to turn it on. A confirmation window will appear. Tap Allow or OK to confirm activation. You might hear an explanation of how to use Talkback. Now double tap on Finish, then double tap Finish again to confirm. You can always go back to tutorial anytime. Then now, hit Allow if you preferred notification messages. Use gestures to navigate. For example, swipe right or left, move to next, or previous item. Double tap, activate selected item. Two-finger swipe. This is the scroll. Adjust Talkback settings. Now double tap on Settings. Here, you can change speech rate, verbosity, etc. To turn up Talkback, use two fingers to open Settings, System, Accessibility, Talkback, then toggle it off, and then double tap the stop to confirm. Now, you know how to use Talkback on your Android. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.